Now, this color that I'm about to share is known to be very, very unconventional, but please hear me out because, oh my God. And there is actual science behind this, you guys. So studies show that people wearing this specific shade appear 30% more authoritative and confident. So hey, why not? I have to say it. This color is the underrated hero of elegance. I said it. And for those who stuck with me until now, you're so lucky because I kind of kept the best for last. Have you ever found yourself reaching for those black pants or that classic black top in your closet just out of habit? I mean, if we're being so honest and being for real with each other, black is so iconic, and that's the problem. But here's the thing though, elegance isn't limited to just one color. So just imagine for a moment. Imagine stepping out in shades that bring out your best features, that make you feel feminine, and that express a side of elegance that's just all your own. Well, by the end of this video, you're going to feel inspired and you're going to walk away equipped and ready to confidently rock a palette that is just as iconic, but without the classic hint of black. I've spent years in the fashion world, modeling on runways across the world, and even winning a few beauty pageant competitions along the way. But here's the secret. I didn't just get there by sticking to the ordinary. Strengthening my values, embracing my authentic femininity, and having a strong mindset have been key. And today, I'm sharing a piece of that journey with you. So 10 colors that stylish women love and colors that instantly elevate any outfit. So you do not want to miss this. So let's get started. Welcome to the Chic Evolution, your ultimate destination for fashion, beauty, and empowerment. I am a former top model and multiple beauty pageant winner. I've had the privilege of walking the runways from America to Europe. I've graced magazine covers, and my passion for helping others has empowered me to uplift those around me. So join me as I share insider tips on style, confidence, and living your best chic life. Because at the Chic Evolution, confidence is always in season. Welcome back to our little corner of the internet where we explore all things fashion, all things femininity, and of course, all things empowerment. And before we get started, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel and like this video to stay connected for more insights like these. And thank you so much for watching this video all the way through. It's a small way to invest in yourself today. And if you are new here on this channel, we start each video by lighting up a candle just for the good vibes. And at the end of the video, I'll send you off with an uplifting and positive affirmation. So stay tuned for that. So I invite you to also light up a candle if you have one at home. And there you go. Here's our little candle. This is the same candle that we had last time. This is the Very Merry Vanilla. Just keeping up with the season. Winter is coming up. Christmas is coming up. Isn't it so calming to just have a candle burning? It's just so nice. I just love it. Anyways, let's get started. Let's kick things off with Cream and Ivory. Now, these shades are a go-to in the world of fashion because they are known for that soft, that feminine touch that makes every outfit just look more expensive. And if you are hesitant to try this color, picture this, okay? Picture a cream top paired with high-waisted pants, and instantly you have something that is chic without even trying. And actually, according to color expert Latrice Eastman, who is actually very well known from the Pantone Color Institute, she explains that cream is a shade that calms and uplifts. It's all about embracing that clean and serene look. Now, burgundy is another color that you need to look out for. Burgundy is one of those colors that carries an air of sophistication. It's deep, it's luxurious, and it's just a bit mysterious. And you can style a burgundy dress or even a simple sweater with jeans, and suddenly you've transformed the fit into an elegant look. And as someone who has been in the beauty industry, I can tell you that burgundy makes an impact without stealing the show. And you know who else would agree with this? Fashion icon Carolina Herrera. And you guys, she often mentions how this specific shade brings out natural warmth and confidence. And there is actual science behind this, you guys. So studies show that people wearing deep shades like burgundy appear 30% more authoritative and confident. So hey, why not? Oh my God, now navy blue. I have to say it, this color is the underrated hero of elegance. I said it, because when you want something that's just as versatile as black, but more intriguing, navy is your best friend. I personally love pairing navy with whites or even pastel pinks because it's such a classy combination. And navy suits or even dresses are a go-to when you want to make a polished statement. And I bet you didn't know that style expert Tim Gunn, who has worked with so many celebrities like Veronica Webb, who else has he? He has also worked with Heidi Klum or Heidi Klum. I hope I'm pronouncing her name correctly. And he says that navy can be even more sophisticated than black. So my chic babes, if you're looking for that versatile staple, navy really is the shade that you should invest in. Now, let's talk about another shade that you should look into, olive green. Now, olive green brings out a grounded and earthy vibe that still feels refined. And it's a fantastic option for jackets, for trousers, or even for dresses. I love this color because olive can be dressed up. It can also be dressed down. And it gives that I am chic, but like very effortlessly chic. And we're all here for it. And color theorist Angela Wright states that green, especially olive green, is known to convey a sense of balance and calmness. So try pairing it with a crisp white top or brown accessories for a sophisticated look that feels both elegant and approachable. Before we continue, if you've been watching me until now, please consider subscribing to my channel. I'm sharing some pretty good fashion info, and as you can see, there's a lot of research that goes into making these videos. But above all, I want to thank you so much for sticking around with me. You're investing in yourself today. And besides, you don't want to miss the next tips because they're going to take your fashion confidence to the next level. And ooh, I need to set the tone for this next color. We need like some sort of music that's just, yes, something like this, something that vibes with it, because you're gonna understand I needed to set the tone because this color, oh my God. Dusty Rose. Dusty Rose adds a touch of romance. It adds a touch of femininity to any outfit. It's really one of those colors that work year round. Whether it's a dusty rose blazer or a cozy sweater, this shade flatters a range of skin tones. And I find that it's got that subtle elegance that feels inviting and feels warm. And so many fashion experts can agree with me on this, like personal stylist Lauren Messiah, who specifically says that Dusty Rose is a timeless shade that pairs well with neutrals, making it ideal for elegant outings. Okay, now let's go back to our regular music and talk about a color that is definitely not regular, and that is champagne. Now, champagne brings a little sparkle without overpowering your outfit. And I think we can all agree that this color is luxurious, it is soft, and it adds just the right amount of glow. So imagine a champagne top tucked into beige pants, or even a champagne silk dress for those special occasions. And color psychologist Karen Heller mentions that shades like champagne bring a feeling of subtle luxury. And my chic babes, if you ask me, this color is so ideal for evening wear or even formal settings, but it can be just as stunning for casual days too. Now, this color that I'm about to share is known to be very, very unconventional, but please hear me out because, oh my God, lavender, yes, it is an unconventional choice, but that's what makes it so interesting. Like a lavender top or even a lavender accessory adds a hint of femininity without going overboard, you know? It's a soft color that works wonderfully, especially for spring or even summer outfits, and especially when paired with these two colors. So remember, white or beige for lavender, it goes perfectly well. And check this, style experts like Rachel Zoe highlight lavender's versatility, especially for daytime elegance. And in terms of color psychology, lavender, so this color is scientifically known to evoke calmness, making it perfect for days when you want to look elegant yet relaxed. And let's talk about another color that we love, peachy coral. It is a color that says fun without compromising on elegance. It brings out a youthful yet lively vibe that can make you look absolutely radiant. Now think of a peachy blouse with denim or even a coral dress. It's bright and grounded. And according to stylist Trinity Woodall, coral shades bring out the warmth in your skin tone. So if you want a healthy glow, this is the color that you want to reach for. Now let's talk about camel. Now camel is such a beautiful color, especially for outdoor, especially in coats or even trench coats, because it exudes that luxe and refined vibe that feels effortless. And you know, when you wear camel, you're sending a message of sophistication with minimal effort. It's so easy to pair it with anything, whether you're in jeans or even a formal outfit. And for those who stuck with me until now, you're so lucky because I kind of kept the best for last. Yes, definitely in terms of expectations, because I bet you did not think of this color, mint. Mint is such a refreshing color and it's surprisingly versatile because it's gentle, mint is soft, and it adds a touch of playfulness to your wardrobe. So imagine, if you're hesitating, girl, imagine, okay? Imagine a mint colored blouse or even mint accessories. It adds a lovely pop of color while still keeping things very much classy. And as you can see, there's a whole field of the color of psychology out there, and we're not gatekeeping on this channel. In fact, according to color consultant Jill Morton, mint has a lively effect. So this color adds a bit of freshness and positivity, which is perfect for days when you want to feel light and elegant. And there you have it, beautiful colors that can make you look and feel elegant without a hint of black. And these shades are all about expressing a feminine and stylish side of yourself. I really hope that you are feeling inspired and ready to step into a world of color that celebrates your unique style. And before I let you go, please do not forget to like, comment, and to subscribe, and maybe share this with someone who might find it helpful. And before I let you go, remember how we lit up the candle at the beginning of the video? Well, now it's time to turn it up, and I'll send you with this uplifting and positive affirmation. So here is my candle. My chic babes, until our next encounter, let your uniqueness shine, let your self-love grow, and let your confidence inspire. And I'll see you when? I'll see you sooner than later. There you go. It's a wrap. It's a wrap, baby. It's a wrap, baby.